Sorry students, by mistake I have just stopped the recording, so I am making another video here. So next slide is, in this slide we will solve question number 1.33, that is calculate the number of atoms in each of the following. First is 52 moles of argon, second is 52 U is unified mass of helium, third is 52 gram of helium. We have to calculate the moles. So 1 mole is equal to, sorry, we have to calculate the number of atoms. So as we know, 1 mole is equal to Avogadro's number of atom, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of argon. So 52 moles of argon is equal to 50. We will simply multiply this to the Avogadro's number and we will find the total number of atoms. This is very easy. You have solved this type of numericals in your 9th class. In second part, they have said 52 unified mass of helium contains how many atoms. So 1 atom of helium is equal to 4 unified mass of, 4 ही होता है ना हीलियम का, ठीक है, 4 unified mass of helium, or we can say that 4U of helium is equal to 1 atom of helium. 4 यूनिट मास किसके इक्वल है? हीलियम के 1 एटम के इक्वल है. सो 1 U ऑफ हीलियम इज इक्वल टू 1/4 एंड 52 इज 1/4 into 52, that is 52/4 atom of helium. So when we calculate it, it is 13 atoms of helium. In third part, they have said how many atoms are there in 52 grams of helium. So 4 grams of helium is equal to 6.022 into 10 to 23 atoms of helium. So why अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है कि 4 ग्राम ऑफ हीलियम हाउ इट्स कम इक्वल टू दिस, बिकॉज एज वी नो 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू number of Avogadro's number of atoms equal to atomic mass of that element. So helium का mass यहाँ पे 4 grams है, that is why these are equal. Now 52 grams, this divide by 4 into 52, this, so hence these are the number of atoms in case of third part. Next is another question here, 17th question. A sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform. So supposed to be carcinogenic in nature, means it is cancerous in nature. The level of contamination was 15 ppb, that is parts per million by mass. So express this in percentage by mass or determine the molality of chloroform in water sample. So I think we can't solve this question because still now we have not discussed the molality here. So we will solve this question later on. Comes to next question, that is 1.32. There is data given. In the following table, calculate the molar mass of naturally occurring argon isotopes. ठीक है, सो आर्गन के आइसोटोप्स होते हैं 36, 38, 40. What are isotopes? Same atomic number but different mass number. So isotopic molar mass, 3 different here. Abundance, how much percentage? So we have to calculate the average. So how we calculate? I have just told you, I think in first lecture, how to calculate the average mass. So it is first isotope, that is 35 into 96, and its percentage, that is 337 divided by 100 for percentage, and we will add these all 3 values. In this manner we will get the molar mass of the argon. Okay, so जो हमारा one thing I just told you, जो periodic table में मास गिवन होता है उसको ऐसे ही फाइंड आउट करते हैं. जितने भी आइसोटोप्स हैं तो वहाँ पे एवरेज एटॉमिक मास दे हैड गिवन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज, अगेन वी विल नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस. I just confused. I just thought कि we have discussed this molarity normality. So we are not going to solve this question. Question number 1.6. If 10 volumes of dihydrogen gas react with 5 volumes of oxygen gas, how many volumes of water vapor would be produced? So ये टॉपिक हम कर चुके हैं. I have just taken this question just to make you understand again. So in this question they said if we have 10 volumes of dihydrogen gas that react with 5 volumes of dioxygen gas, then how many volumes of water vapor would be produced? So for solving these type of question, firstly you should know what is the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to form water. So this is the reaction, that is hydrogen plus oxygen is gives you water molecule. Now next important thing is, firstly तो आपको reaction पता होना चाहिए. Second important thing is you have to balance the reaction. Okay, so this equation is balanced. We have put here 2 and here 2. Now it is balanced. Here 2 4 there are 4 hydrogens. This side on product side also 4 hydrogens. Reactant side 2 oxygen. Here also in product side 2 oxygens. So if 2 volumes of dihydrogen react with 1 volume of hydrogen, अब यहाँ पे अगर हम रिएक्शन को देखें तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, 2 वॉल्यूम ऑफ डाईहाइड्रोजन रिएक्ट विद 1, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है इट मीन्स हियर इज 1. 2 volumes of hydrogen react with 1 volume of hydrogen and making 2 volumes of water. So it is very simple, जितने यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम है उतने ही यहाँ पे होंगे. So if 10 volumes of dihydrogen are there, then how many volumes for water? Yes, there are 10 volumes of water will be formed. So this is all for today. Sorry for this disturbance here. I just by mistake I have pressed the stop button. So I will send you these 2 video. Okay, thank you students. Just try to solve these numericals in your notebook and practice them. Thank you.